Hey, I'm Miranda Suess, a New Jersey wedding photographer. I'm going to show you how to edit this image. This particular couple requested that in the background, her mom and grandma do not have phones, so to remove them. So I've already duplicated a layer, and to do that, you just click right here where it says background with the little lock key on it. Control J will duplicate the layer, or you can go ahead and right click on it and hit duplicate layer and name it if you'd like. Okay, I turn off the little eye icon when I do it, and you can just hit delete if you just made too many of them. Doesn't really matter, but I don't want to edit the original because once you edit it, it's hard to get back unless you want to undo all your work. So if you duplicate the layer, you're just editing the top and you still have the original below. Okay, what I would do first is I would use this lasso. If I hit Control plus on my keyboard, it'll zoom in. I'm going to draw over the area that I want to replace this phone. Hands in prayer. Let's see what happens here. We'll generate another set just because I love that with Photoshop, it keeps the original first ones in case you want to go back and use those. With Lightroom, you can't do that. It'll reset a whole new variation set. So let's see. Okay, that's leading in the right direction. Oh. Okay, that looks way better. Let's look at the original, okay? I'm going to unlock it here and just put it up top. That's what it looked like. She has long sleeves on. And this one looks like they're a little bit more rolled up. It's too short of sleeves, too much arm showing. This is in the right direction. So I am going to keep this one. I'm over here isn't looking. I hate that because she's so focused on her phone rather than capturing her, watching her son in the moment dancing with her granddaughter. But it just might be like one of those blink of an eye moments I captured that she was looking down. I don't think she was so engaged on her phone the entire time, which is good. But this is why I tell my couples to please tell their loved ones, like their parents, for example, to stay off their phones because us photographers and videographers have it under control. Lasso grandma's arms here. I'm gonna have her put her arm here on the chair. The other one just relaxed. I'm gonna generate a fill. One arm resting on chair. Too long of an arm, but not bad. So we're gonna generate similar of this one. That one's really good. Let me just see the original again. Turn it on. See this black mask next to the AI edit here, right? This black mask has like a white spot here. That signals what was edited. Now, I want to remove that by changing these colors right here, black on top, white at the bottom. And I'm going to use my brush tool. And flow, we can turn it up. Opacity, yeah. We're gonna make this smaller. Okay, that's better. I just want to add the sparkle here. Dress. I don't like that. So actually, we're gonna start all over. Keep sparkly dress sleeves. That's better. Let's see, generate similar. Even though it's not sparkly. No. Oh. Okay, let's generate similar to that because we got some bokeh going on here. We like that. I think I'm leaning towards this even though she has no arm showing. Right. Yeah, that works too, even though you don't see arms. On top. Not bottom, on top. See that? No phones. Or with phones. No phone. Yay. I mean, no. Yay. I think she'll be happy with this. So I'm going to save it. Now, reminder, if you have Lightroom Classic open, when you click save, it'll make a copy into Lightroom Classic and keep the original edit as well. So I'm going to save this. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Lightroom Classic because it's saving here, as you can see down here. Okay. So we have this one is the original, and it made a copy of the edit from Photoshop. We love it, right? So I'm going to Control-Shift-E in Lightroom to save this. Removed phones is what I'm going to put in there. And then edit the file name to no phones. And done. Export. And that's it, guys. That's how you edit out, use generative fill, phones in the background, for example, and make your clients really happy.